I hit my funny bone.
Yeah, I checked my other uniform that I put on heavy duty.
Make sure we're not talking.
I'm gonna switch this for you. Targets. Yeah. You see them? That's what you're gonna do. To the right. Come down a little bit. Longer burst.
You're hitting low. Aim about a foot above the target. There you go.
You got him?
Yes.
All right. And you're hot.
Just so you know that when it gets dark. Yes.
All right, can you see downrange? Or is it blurry?
I can see downrange.
All right, cool. Focus it. So you have a focus. All right, and then you have a focus back here. No, up here. On the actual lens. Right here. Right here. Look, on the actual lens.
Oh, this?
Yep. That's how you focus. But you need to focus it to looking downrange. Your helmet? Yeah. You got to loosen your straps.
You should try and keep your down. Just look out of the other way.
Can you see?